Warning, this video is not meant for the faint of heart. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Alright, y'all. I'm back. Shelly at the Unstoppable, back at it again. Right,
God mode activated.
so far, with the sugar change, hold on. Look at the results. So far with the sugar change, preventing from taking the sugars and stuff. What I began to realize is the fact that without the refined sugars in my body, my energy levels are restoring itself. I'm not as drained as I was before. I feel a little bit more energy. The pre-workout I take, I feel the stimulants a little bit more. And you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. It's a lot of changes that's already happening. Focusedness, clear-minded, everything is being restored. So, yeah, that's about it. Restoration. All right, y'all. It's Ep.163 Unstoppable back at it again. Remind you to ask, believe, and receive. Also reminding you, if you plan it, then it's yours. If you believe you can, then you can do it. If you don't believe you can do anything, you can't do nothing. Remember, without God and faith, we can't do nothing. And also remember, if you're just now watching my videos the first time, I need you to do a favor for me: like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be informed when I drop my videos. And that's it. It's time to get to work. Let's put these increasing energy levels to the test. All right, y'all. Let's get this work. Ooh. All right, y'all, I'm back. I almost hit that 515 on the deadlift. So I pretty much skipped 505, which was supposed to be my next PR, and went straight to 515. One of my bros, he challenged me to do 515. At first, I was a little hesitant because I'm like, I ain't hit 505 yet. But I was like, you know what? Let's do it. And you see, I couldn't lock it out. But you know what? I feel good at the same time. And I'm satisfied because I got it over the knees. So it's a wrap from there. I already got it. It just needs to be manifested in the physical. The bench was okay. I noticed that by using the slingshot, just to identify the problem, I'm not tightening my triceps. I'm not tightening my triceps like I'm supposed to. That's about it. Just a learning process. Just took my post-workout drink. Not the protein yet. The vegan protein hasn't reached yet, but my, creatine and stuff. And that's about it. I'm feeling really good. Even though failure happened, Well, not entirely, but I still feel good. All right, y'all. This is Elliot the Unstoppable, reminding you to ask, believe, and receive. Also reminding you, if you plan it, then it's yours. If you believe you can, then you can do it. If you don't believe you can do anything, you can't do nothing. Remember, without God and without faith, we can't do nothing, no matter how hard we try. And also, if you're watching my video for the first time and you like what you see, I need you to do a favor for me. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be informed on when I drop my videos. I'm over here looking smooth. Nice peacoat. Ooh. This is Ellie and the Unstoppable. Until Wednesday, let's get this work. Yeah.